Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It is black in color. Exterior is a hardtop. Some really nice features about this Wrangler. This actually has 11,500 pound winch up front. It's got upgraded LED lights up front. It does have the light bars. Everything is really nicely completed on this Wrangler. It does have some green accents, so I'm not sure if those will stay with it or not. But maybe decide that you may want to keep them. But this thing only has 33,991 miles. Does have Bluetooth, Sirius XM, and the interior has been immaculate. It actually had 2 sets of floor mats in this thing. And that's actually the controller for the winch there. But super clean vehicle. Here's a look at it. This has an upgraded audio system in as well. So it's got the powered all-weather subwoofer in the back. You can fold down these seats, 60/40 fold split. So really nicely equipped Wrangler Sport, 4-door, 4-wheel drive V6 with some nice upgrades. To find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.